My friends, my name's Lily. Welcome to my channel, LilyBirdTime. I've noticed tree leaves have changed color, the temperature grows colder, plants stop making food, and the daylights start growing shorter. All of this indicates that autumn begins. October is the middle of the fall in Canada. Temperatures are significantly colder. I live in Calgary, Alberta, which may receive our first snow later in the month. Oh! In this video, I would like to share what we do to winterize our house before the cold. I hope you will find they're helpful. Preparing our home for winter is key if we are looking to retain its value over the long term. We clean the windows on our home twice a year. That helps our windows last longer and keep our home looking its best. We believe it's much efficient in the fall when the weather is still warm. Prepare our windows for the cold season and forget about cleaning them until the spring comes. I hate dirty windows. I live in a cool and cold climate area. Our walkout basement has 2 large windows. Even with the electric floor heating, but in wintertime, the basement is still colder than the rest of the house. We decided to add air outlets to extend the existing ducts to the living room of the basement to let more heat come out of the natural gas furnace. Check the roof to ensure the shingles are intact. Also make sure the gutters and the downspouts are free and clear of leaves and branches. Cut floppy perennials such as hosta back to the ground in fall helps a plant focus on recharging its roots, keeping plants healthy. Dead plants left lying around can help spread disease that could spread to other plants. After the first killing frost, remove dead plant material from the gardens. We empty the rain barrel to avoid the freezing water in cold winter cracking the plastic. Turn off all exterior faucets and drain water to prevent pipe bursts. We buy our furnace filters in advance. We also perform the standard furnace maintenance in fall. As the season comes to a close, give my tools a good cleaning, then store them in the shed or garage. We have been busy in the past couple of weeks to get our home and yard ready for the upcoming winter. Winterization is a process of preparing a home for the harsh conditions of winter. We usually perform right after Thanksgiving holiday. If you have any tips or advice on this subject, my friend, please leave a comment down below. We'd like to hear from you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.